Hi lads, how's it going? This is a quick video about the brake light switch or the brake lights malfunctioning in the BMW E30s, or they stay on all the time. This is a 1990 320i 4-door, but the brake light setup or brake lights or brakes are usually very similar in all the variants. So I've started by removing the kick panel. As you can see, it's sitting on the side. You remove the two screws on this side and one on the other, and there's one actually and it goes into the steering column there. So this is your brake pedal, and your switch, the brake light switch, sits right up here. So when the brake pedal is released or in this normal position, the switch gets pressed and then it disengages your brake lights. And if this is not working, this way you will know that the brake's not working and they stay on all the time. So you can start by pressing the two tabs and releasing the connector by wiggling it out. So you can see the red kind of bushing inside and the tab here. So there's a tab like this in the middle on top side, and this is the bottom side. You might have to insert, if you can, which I was not able to do, but if you insert a flathead screwdriver or something, press the red bushing outwards towards the engine bay, it will let you press this tab and the top one, if you can, to release this out. I ended up breaking one of the tabs, and but we'll look on the positive side that it actually lets me wiggle the switch out this easy. So this is the bushing I was talking about. So what happens is sometimes this thumb pin kind of thing gets very pushed in and it doesn't engages properly by the brake lever. See from the back, if you can see, this has to hit it to disengage the lights or turn off the lights. So this, you can actually adjust the length, so you can see this still engages and it should touch the brake lever and press this. It should be pressed and the light should be disengaged. I am going to leave it at about this much, and I am going to put back in and the connector. So this should work, and if not, if this doesn't work or the lights are still on, you might have to look at some other things, but this is one of the simplest things to start with. Or you can also check the bulbs and stuff, and there are also tutorials online to maybe adjust the rod in the back or the brake pedal itself, but this is a very one of the simplest steps you can do. I hope this helps somebody out there, and make sure to check the other videos on my channel. There's more to come, and I'll see you in another one.